Okay, I am now connected to the internet, so check for update. I just clicked that button, contacting iPod software update server. A new iPod software version 3.1.3 is available for the iPod. Yeah, I named it iPhone because that'd be funny. Would you like to download and install it now? iTunes verify the software update with Apple. Go ahead and click download and install if you intend to install it like right when it's done. But if you just want to download it for now, which I think if you click here, you'll be able to actually, maybe move it to a other like I don't know. For me, I'm just gonna click download and install. But if you want to just download it and then install it later, you can just click download only. And they'll say contacting the iPod software update server. Okay, this here is what all it has. So let's see what all this thing does. This update for iPhone and iPod Touch contains the following contains bug fixes and improvements, including the following. It improves accuracy of reported battery level on iPhone 3GS. Okay. It resolves an issue where third-party apps would not launch in some instances. I don't think I've had that problem yet. Maybe I have. I don't really know. Fixes bug that may cause an app to crash when using the Japanese kana keyboard, or however you say that. It works on all the iPhone and iPod Touch models. And for feature descriptions and complete instructions, you can look at these user guides here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and click next. Go ahead and agree to this. And as you guys can see, it'll automatically start downloading the software. Alright, and if you want to check the progress, it does show it right here, I know, but if you come over to the downloads tab here, it's got it right here. For some reason, I don't really know why it does show an iPod Classic, I guess because it is an iPod after all, so yeah, anyway. Once this blue fills all the way up, we can proceed. This can take a very long time, so all I can say is get yourself something to do while this is downloading, and yeah, so, so I'll be back once this is done. I promise you, because my last one I didn't really do it all that good, but I promise you, once this is done, I will be back. Unless I really do need to say something before it is done, so yeah. Alright, so, got like 11 minutes remaining, but I'm just gonna let you guys know some. When you start installing a new firmware, a lot of stuff tends to show up on the iPod screen. So, what I think I'm gonna do is, probably record the entire, no. What I'm gonna do is if something does happen on the iPod screen that I want you guys to see, I will have the camera recording it. So if something does pop up on the screen, I will then switch the camera views over real quickly to the actual physical camera, and then I will go from there. So yeah, that's just gonna be the way I'm gonna do it. I don't know how well this is gonna work because I actually have never really done something like this before, but we will see. So got 10 minutes remaining. I'm just gonna go ahead and let that finish. Once it's finished, I'll be back. Alright guys, one thing I want you guys to notice is that during the download process, nothing is actually happening with the iPod. The iPod isn't being used for anything. So like while this is downloading, one thing you actually can, you don't want to unplug it. I highly discourage unplugging it, because if you unplug it, then you're going to have to plug back in and re-back up everything, and then you're going to have to install it. So leave it plugged in, but you still can use your iPod if you want to. I just highly encourage maybe turning the Wi-Fi setting off, just so that way it doesn't start going on the internet and slowing down the download process more than it already is. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's still downloading, and absolutely no activity on the iPhone, on the iPod touch screen, because it's not needed. It's all happening right now. Everything is needed. Yeah. So yeah. Apparently, I'm going to go recharge my battery on my camera, so
yeah, once this is all done, I will be back.
Alright, so, if you are currently using your iPod to, you can just listen to music or maybe even watching like a movie or something on your iPod just to kill time because you can do that while it's downloading. Um, this might be a sign to go ahead and consider wrapping it up because once there's only 2 minutes remaining, um, you don't want to be like, you know, yeah, because once you start installing it, the software, your iPod will not be, you won't be able to use it until it's done installing. So you should go ahead and stop whatever you're doing whenever it gets to this point. Like, see, now it's starting to do a whole second by second countdown here, so that's definitely a sign to go ahead and just put it away and let it do everything. But set it down to where you can see the screen of the iPod, just in case something comes up, like some sort of message or some sort of alert comes up on there that you might want to, address. I'll also tell you when a noise is made because you probably cannot, like, hear this, but I'm, like, snapping right over there, so you probably couldn't hear it, though, because of how non-sensitive the mic is. So we got 6 seconds remaining. I suppose I'll just go ahead and bring the frame back over to the center right now.